I was always nervous going to the dentist, so I would put it off as far as as long as I could, up until the point where the pain was just unbearable.
It was just painful. I couldn't sit still in a chair. I just felt like I didn't want to be there.
And at that point, I was embarrassed. I was ashamed, that I'd let things go that far, so it made it even harder to come. But when I came here, they made all that go away.
What we try to cultivate is a culture of comfort, relaxation, and above all, treating the patients the way they've really never been treated before in dentistry.
I want that to be my responsibility, to change your thought about coming to the dentist and have it be a positive experience.
The first time I came to the office, as soon as I came in, I felt welcome, and I felt like this was the place I was supposed to be from the very beginning.
Dr. Art was wonderful, told me every step he was taking, had a wonderful sense of humor and a presence and just warmth.
Dr. Kim, the same way, that she comes in and, well, how are you today? It's always like that. That's how good they are.
I feel that it's genuine here. I feel like the care that I've got, not only as a patient, but as a human being, a person, was not put on, it's not fake, it was very genuine. They seemed very concerned about me all the way around. And I just don't think you could ask for any better care than that.
To be able to go and have someone relax and take care of, years of problems or anxiety, whatever it is, and be able to have them turn around and go, that was the best dental experience I've ever had. That makes all the hard work, all the effort that Kim and I have put in, makes it all worthwhile.
They really set the bar for technology and treatment plans because I think one of the things that I thought more than anything is that I was kind of like on a slow process to dentures, and I kind of thought that was my option. And the fact that they had leading technologies where they could straighten my teeth, they could protect and just restore broken teeth, that was really important.
Exceptional Dentistry is known for world-class dentistry. We have a team of professionals that are on the leading edge of dental technology, and with that we get excellent results predictably.
They just made it very clear, answered questions. I've always felt they were confident they could do it for me, made me feel confident, relaxed, and it just got better from there.
I had a letter written to me, and the patient said, when I work with Dr. Kim, I feel like she is a blanket of love wrapped around me.
Exceptional Dentistry has changed my mindset on dental work, and now I have it as preventive rather than repairing and restorative.
This is what I thought I was going to have, and just slowly just take a few of them out until there's nothing left. And to come from this to where I'm at now, it's a blessing.
What we strive to do every day at Exceptional Dentistry is to treat people like human beings, to treat them with kindness, to help them get through whatever problem they're having, to make them healthier as individuals, and to give them the experience.
How can I, take care of these people? How can I make sure that the experience they had last week was even better? To be able to finally be that place that they found and get to, play a role in their futures and how they do, it's awesome.